Hi there and welcome to Hypermotive. In stock today we have this Titan Silver 330 E46, very desirable. This is the cabriolet model. So has good service history. Most recently in October 24. And quite important on these, the hydraulic pump for the convertible roof has been replaced at a very similar time. This car comes with black Nappa leather. It's an automatic. It's covered 88,000 miles. If you'd like to inquire about this car or would like to come and see it, you can contact us through the website, our email, or just give us a phone.